Another day. Okay, well, I guess it's night. It's like 8:30 p.m. Another vlog. Okay, there we go. I can't decide what I want to cut out of the frame. This purple bucket here, or the fact that our letters are off center from the TV. Maybe I just try and cover both. Hey guys, how's it going? I have a dance competition this weekend and I am going to tan. So this is one of the things that I do before every single dance competition. Actually, let me show you guys the OOTD outfit of the day. Yeah, let me show you guys the tanning outfit that we got going on. Oh, we've got these dinky ass pajama pants that I wear. And I've got this like extra large t-shirt that I got when I was in high school. I do tan and apply self-tanner right before I compete, but I do find that it helps if I am tan beforehand, so it just kind of creates that nice even layer. The tanner that I'm using, I'm gonna kind of squat down here. Could make my tripod taller, but who's got time to do that? The tanner that I have loved using so far is Bondi Sands. Is it Bondi Sands or Bondi Sands? I realize now I don't know if I'm saying it right. You may notice that the logo is missing. I don't know what happened, but I had it in this gown-sized Ziploc bag to keep it from making a mess everywhere. And it must have like disintegrated the logo. I am using the dark self-tanning foam, but this has been awesome. I love the foam. It's a little bit better than any of the lotions that I've tried because it tends to be less streaky. I don't know if you guys care about this, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. And obviously I use this to tan for ballroom competitions, but if you're just looking for a great self-tanner, highly recommend Bondi Sands. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I just genuinely love this product and I have tried a ton of self-tanning products. One of the other reasons why I love this so much is because it smells pretty amazing. This, you can see right here, it says coconut scent. At the end of the day, like, it's gonna still smell a tiny bit like tanner, but it smells so much better than a lot of at-home tanners that I've used. And the other thing that I use is this mitt, also from Bondi Sands. Oh, it's so freaking soft. And this just makes putting on my tan so much easier. I just go in circular motions all over my body. So freaking easy. And then I also just use this makeup brush that is designated for tanning, and I use that for my face and then also to get into the little cracks and crevices on my fingers and hands. So these are kind of the three supplies that I use to tan. I'm not going to show you guys on camera because usually I strip down and that kind of content is not allowed here on YouTube.
How you doing?
So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Good morning. Say hi to the vlog. Good morning, guys. I am all tan and ready to go. I can give you some shots of the before and after so you guys can kind of see the comparison of when I tanned and the next morning, because I sleep in it all night and then just shower it off in the morning. So that's great. And we're getting ready to head out to North Carolina. It looks nice outside, but it is deceivingly cold. What does this sign say?
Highway.
No. Welcome to North Carolina. Woot woot. It looks exactly the same as Virginia. Look at that. I missed the North Carolina sign, but here's the North Carolina Welcome Center. Oh, look at that. Dead bushes. Yay for Wendy's. Food. Thank you. Yes.
Now fans have gone to fast food. Once again, classic word, just forget
That you have
ordered.
Have you driven off without getting a video of them?
Well, I told you, like when I went to Chick-fil-A for us at that last comp,
Yeah.
and she's like, oh, you forgot. I'm like, oh, right. I did order more. I did order a drink.
See,
Probably get that.
I don't think I've ever done that. Where like I almost like walked away
Well, I just don't remember what I get, so I just assume
You just forget what you
when
ordered.
they hand me the thing,
That's it.
this is what
That's it.
this is what I wanted. And
Sing it, baby. We made it to the hotel. It's a pretty cool looking room. Actually, really cool looking hotel. I'm excited to see what the ballroom looks like. But we made it to the hotel. Probably gonna sleep. Because I'm tired. And then gotta get ready.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys, so I was getting ready and I did like most of my hair and my makeup, and I was like, the lighting in this hotel room is like garbage. I haven't done like my hair and makeup and lighting this bad in so long. And Brayden literally walks in and turns on the light to the mirror and is like, okay. So thanks, Brayden. Thanks for helping me find the lighting. I did better with my hair today than my makeup, but that's because I did most of it in the dark. Dude. No, it's fine. Thanks. It takes so long to put on the makeup, and it takes so fast to take it all off. We're off to find some breakfast. Hi, Brayden. You're pretty cute, you know that? Yeah, all good. Start off the morning right.
Nice.
Okay, quick room tour. We've got bathroom, bed, TV, cute husband, view, this massive lamp here, and that's it. Look at this view. Look at this view. Brayden said this chip is me when my self-tan is coming off. NASCAR Hall of Fame. We're not going inside, but it's a cool building. That's dope. Oh look, you can see us in the reflection. Ready? Ready? Yes. There we go.
From
That
there.
a good angle?
Yes.
Not this angle.
Yes.
this angle.
Okay.
We just got lunch, and now we're gonna go try and find me dinner. Not because I'm gonna eat dinner right now, but because with competing and stuff tonight, it's just hard to get food sometimes. So we're gonna probably run to Target. And try and get like a salad or something for me that I can have later, just put in the hotel fridge. And then Brayden can go and get himself food later. But that's the plan now. I'm gonna get ready later, compete. Yeah. Maybe I'll just get one of these salads here for dinner. That's what you're gonna get? Maybe I'll get a Caesar salad up here. Here, can you hold this for a second? Maybe I'll get one of these. Chicken Caesar salad. That's probably fine. Okay, I just got done doing my hair and my makeup, so that's all good. We have about an hour until we're going to warm up. It took me about 2 hours to get ready, which is pretty typical. An hour to do my hair, hour to do my makeup. But while I'm waiting really quick before I eat my salad, I'm going to glue my earrings in because while I dance, you don't want your earrings to come out. So what I do is I actually glue these with eyelash glue into my ears. Yeah, it doesn't feel great, but it keeps my earrings in, so you know, beauty is pain. Keeping your earrings in is pain. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Oh my goodness. See this fork right here? Yeah, didn't know that was a thing. So we bought a whole container of forks at Target, and there's a fork buried in the salad. Stupid. Well, we have lots of extra forks now that we can take home. Oh, I also need to wash off this foundation on my hand.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty.
Back up. Ready to go. Look like a boxer. But psych, I'm a dancer. The fire alarms are currently going off.
Our dancing is on fire.
We didn't even start dancing yet. The floor is lit. So we're heading outside, I guess. I know no one wants to go over there. It was a false alarm. A homeless man pulled the fire alarm on his way out. So we're headed back in now.
Ballroom Championships. We hope you all have a wonderful time here this.
It's time to sleep.
'Cause I've been living life